From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm student meteorologist Chelsea Hoffman.
And I'm student meteorologist Daniel Burnt, and this is Dan and Chelsea in the Morning with your short-term forecast on Wednesday, October 30th, 2013. Well, the first half of the week started off beautiful, sunny, and gorgeous. Well, it looks like things will be changing for the next half.
We'll be ending October on a warm note, but we also have some rain in store. We'll let you know more about that with today's short-term forecast.
So let's get you started off here with a look at your daily climatology. A quick summary of the temperatures. We can see that we're fairly seasonable for this time of the year, with temperatures cracking around 60 degrees for a high and around 40 for the low. Those are right where we should be for this time of the year. And the records, balmy 82 back in 1946. We won't be touching anywhere near that today. And a chilly low of 20 back in 1928.
And taking a look at SkyCam, many of us are waking up to some overcast skies. They may have already produced some spotty drizzle throughout the area or may continue to do so throughout the morning hours. However, we will see these clouds decreasing throughout the day.
And looking at your temperatures here across the region, we can see that we're off to a mild start with most temperatures in the Susquehanna Valley in the 40 to 50 degree range. These will be remaining fairly steady for much of the morning as we do have that blanket of clouds and some moisture in the area. However, this afternoon, as the clouds break and the sun pokes out, we should see those temperatures steadily rising to more seasonable levels.
And taking a look at Millersville University's WRF model, for today we have a large bubble of high pressure over much of the eastern United States that's producing a southwesterly flow, bringing us a pretty seasonable day. You also see that moisture that's bringing us some spotty drizzle this morning. However, clouds will begin to decrease throughout the day today.
As we head into the overnight hours, we can see our next system starting to take shape and move towards the region. This is all thanks to an area of low pressure that will be passing well to our north into the southern portion of Canada. And we also have an associated cold front that is draped down through the country. That is making its way east, bringing a plethora of rain with it, as southwesterly flow also ahead of it brings warm temperatures into the region for the overnight hours.
And for your Halloween day, as this system makes its way east, you can see that there's a very heavy batch of precip associated with this system. However, the system won't quite reach the area on Thursday, so we will see a mix of clouds and sun. We also have that southwesterly flow that Dan was mentioning, with high temperatures pushing almost 70 degrees.
Wrapping things up with your Weather Information Center forecast, today we will see those clouds on the decrease as we mentioned previously, with some spotty drizzle possible, so make sure you keep an umbrella handy just in case. And we will see a high near 62, that's fairly seasonable for this time of the year. Tonight we will see partly cloudy skies and mild, with a low dipping down to only 48. And tomorrow on your Halloween day we will see a mix of clouds and sun and some breezy conditions before that rain moves in the overnight hours, and a mild high near 68.
Well, that's it for today's short-term forecast. Quick recap, we have a warming trend for the last few days of October due to a southwesterly flow.
That's right, as the cold front makes its way into the region, that southwesterly flow will warm temperatures up nicely into the upper 60s, but we will also have some rain moving in with that, so make sure you keep your umbrella handy for the remainder of the week. Well, that's it for today. Tune back in for the next edition coming this evening with Curtis and Rosa.